with a gathering of souls of light to teach you, to guide you, to heal you, to shift your soul consciousness each and every month. And each month, these infinite masters, one by one, will be entering inside of me to collaborate and build heightened frequencies into your consciousness to become a oneness of reality through sacred signature codes. We were introduced to the sacred signature codes by a divine infinite master last month. Now they have come in and delivered me a message which I'm bringing to you today. No. We are not one species of light transmitting through this one. We are many grid systems of dimensions of multiple light codes of light intelligences. We wish to build new grid lines of infinite light intelligences within all of your signature soul codes that will assist in the ascension of this planet through these codes of communication. Your own awakening of your signature frequencies last month is already activating your signature codes of hidden gifts and abilities in some of you. The awakening powers and strengths of all-knowing, all-seeing, all-trusting, and co-creating is shifting you and will continue shifting you throughout this entire year as we gather into a hoop of oneness each month for a full day of receiving these infinite master beings, strands of light intelligence that will be activating you, clearing you, purifying you, and pouring in signature equations that will spark inside your hearts and minds and awaken you to those dormant gifts and virtues and abilities. And this upcoming webinar, February 14th, a Valentine's Day, a day of love, a day of peace. I will be here as an atomic master, but also with me will be two other masters who are going to be coming in to balance the polarities of equations of the light and the uncertain light consciousness fields. These masters of light consciousness will be bringing in knowledge of the light balancing within your bodies, within your minds, and how to neutralize lowering frequencies that are not of the light by another master. And so I look forward to bringing you together in this teaching of balancing human consciousness into oneness, and so that you begin feeling your signature frequencies and signature codes on February 14th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. on a Zoom live webinar with these infinite masters. We'll be gathering into the hoop of oneness. We'll see you then. Be sure to visit my TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and of course norwalksinspirit.com to register. I'll see you then.